This is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNN.Live. We're at the Precious Metals Summit 2019 in Beaver Creek, Colorado. With me right now is Rob Bills from Emmerson Resources. It's a publicly traded company. The symbol is ERM on the ASX. Rob, welcome back to SNN.Live.
Thanks very much, Robert.
It's great to have you back. So for our audience, let's start off with an overview of the company, and then we'll go from there.
Certainly. So Emmerson Resources is a junior gold mining company. We've got two major projects, one in Tennant Creek in the Northern Territory and the other over in New South Wales. I guess the thing that's very different about Emmerson is that we've just started a gold royalty business.
Okay, so we last had you on here actually a couple years now, so let's get an update. What's been going on in the company, let's say in the last 6 to 12 months?
Yeah, so look, we've been drilling. We've had two large drill programs, one in Tennant Creek, where we've made a great high-grade gold discovery called Mauritania. And then over in New South Wales, we're drilling for porphyry copper gold. So we've made a early stage porphyry copper discovery over there.
So you mentioned at the beginning a little bit that what makes the company a little different. So I might as well ask, what about the company is unique then when compared to some of your competition?
So we've, as I said, we're an emerging gold royalty. We've got an emerging gold royalty business. What we've done is we've converted some of our discoveries and our resources in Tennant Creek into, done a joint venture with a company called Territory Resources in Australia. They do the mining and processing, and we take a royalty off the top. So we've got our first royalty check early this year. So we're probably one of the few juniors with some actually cash coming in the door.
So then, from what you can tell me, what are some of the company's value catalysts now moving forward for the rest of 2019 going into 2020?
Look, the royalty business is one of them in terms of, the idea is that it'll self-fund our exploration so we don't have to go to the capital markets. So those royalty checks will really start flowing once the mill is up and running in Tennant Creek. Our partners are building that, and that should be in December. Next week we're starting our drilling program at Mauritania. So as I said, we made a discovery there, Greenfields discovery, incredibly high grade gold, up to 150 odd grams. So the catalyst there will be around the results of that. Also over in New South Wales, there's been a number of discoveries you would have seen there in porphyry copper gold. We're in a great position. We've got 5 major projects there, so we're starting drilling on one of those in October, and we're also doing some geophysics on the other. So there's a number of catalysts as we move through the year.
And where can our audience go and find more information about Emmerson Resources?
Look, go on to our website, Emmerson Resources in Australia, and also, there's lots of ASX news flow as well.
And that's emersonresources.com.au?
Correct, that's it.
Perfect. My name is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNN.Live, and we are at the Precious Metals Summit 2019 in Beaver Creek, Colorado. With me again has been Rob Bills from Emmerson Resources, publicly traded company. The symbol is ERM on the ASX. Rob, it was a pleasure. Thank you for joining me today.
Thank you very much, Robert.
Thank you.